A here, we're asked to shift it. Okay, now because it's inside the bracket, it's going to be shifting across. And remember, you always do the opposite on you. So because it's +4, you're going to go back 4. Okay, so the 0.70 will go back 4, becomes 30. Okay, so be about there. The this point here, -10, will go back 4. It'll be -50. Okay. And then the maximum there, well, that'll go back 4, so it won't be 3 anymore. Go back 4 will be -1. The y value stays the same, right? So it'll be -1, 2. So then we've got our quadratic. Okay, say quadratic, we've got our f of x, sorry, something like that. Yeah, okay, it's not bad, it's better than that drawing, isn't it? Now part 2 then, it says -2 f of x. Now this time it's not in the bracket, isn't it? So it's not going to affect the x values. Okay, it's going to affect the y values. Okay, don't worry about that minus for a minute. Okay, let's just focus on the 2. So effectively what I'm doing is I'm timesing f of x by 2, aren't I? Okay, so we're timesing the y values by 2. So what will happen is that y value will just double. Okay, so it'll become 4. Okay, so it'll be stretched. What's interesting is the y values here won't double. Well, they'll double, but it'll stay 0, won't they? Because 0 times 2 is 0. That will stay the same as well. When you times that by 2, it just stays as 0. However, there is a minus there as well. Okay, so you've got to bear in mind what goes on with a minus. Now, you could think of it as just timesing it by -2. So 2 there, if I times that by -2, get -4. So it ends up down here. So what happens is it reflects. So when you've got a minus in front, it reflects in the x-axis. So remember now, that point there stays the same, -1, 0, because you're timesing by -2. Timesing the 0 by -2 doesn't do anything. Timesing the 0 there by -2 doesn't do anything, so it's still 70. But you're timesing here the y value here by -2, so you get -4. So we're down here somewhere. So we get 3 minus 4. Oops, I need to turn this around, otherwise it's going to be a bit of a disaster. There you go, that's good, that's fine. Now, part B then, it says, hence write down one root for the equation f of x plus 4 equals -2 f of x plus 4. Now, if you notice here, f of x plus 4 we've already drawn, okay? This says -2 f of x plus 4. Now let's think about it. Here's my -2 f of x. If I add 4 to it, it would shift it up by 4, wouldn't it? Okay, by adding 4. So it'll shift up by 4. If it shifts up by 4, focus on this point here. So if it shifts up by 4, okay, it will go to that point there, which is 3, 0. Okay, because it goes from -4 to 0. And notice it will sort of equal, that's where it will equal the graph of f of x plus 4. So they will cross each other there, wouldn't they? If I had -2 f of x and added 4, shifted it up, they would intersect there. So the root would be, or one root is the same, would be x equals 3, where they intersect.